Hey guys, so it's the end of day 2 of our CLT panel installation. So day started with dramas as usual. So our truck that was supposed to be here at 7:30 didn't get here till 11:15. They were supposed to be pre-slung, which they weren't. Took us nearly 2.5 hours to unload them. But yeah, we all had a meeting, we got on top of things, and the boys have done an absolutely cracking job this afternoon. We've got 2 of the guys here from Stewart Homes and Renovations up in Gympie giving us a hand. They're absolutely cracking along with us, and everyone's just done a great job. We've got a little bit of a process going now, and we've got 2 more deliveries coming tomorrow. So tomorrow's going to be a really big day. Hopefully they show up on time. And yeah, we're going to smash this one out. It's all come together. Like, I am so relieved to have the panels on site and finally have some walls going up on this job. And one thing that it's shown is just the detail and the attention to detail that the team has put in over the last few months, getting the slab done, getting everything set up, because everything is working out so far to the millimetre. So very proud of the team, as usual, done a really good job. And I'm just stoked. I am so stoked and looking forward to coming back tomorrow and getting stuck into it again.